Joe, FNAF Reacts. Today we're here with a guest, but he doesn't want to show his face. So we're gonna do, I'll make the face, he makes the sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the face. Alright, 1, 2. Alright, I gotta go to 1.
What?
Alright.
Where's the food?
Alright.
I knew it. We're not doing a countdown.
Alright.
Bada.
Alright, hold on, I got a good one. I swear to God, I know. Alright. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna end it here. Alright. Likes. Alright. Chat, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.